My name is Joe Cotton, and I'm the editor of Cotton's Technically Speaking, a weekly email market letter. Over the past 10 years, I've helped individual investors regularly identify double and triple-digit stock market winners. Thanks to my proprietary indicators, I'm able to predict sudden stock moves with a surprisingly high degree of accuracy. Just recently, my research led me to a little-known U.S.-based oil company. This company, New Western Energy Corp., NWTR, has the potential to bring you 100 to 400% profits. New Western Energy, NWTR, is sitting on 13.7 million barrels of oil valued at $1.3 billion, is already producing oil in Oklahoma and Texas, and has virtually no debt. So far, these aspects have not yet been factored into the company's share price. As a result, Wall Street has greatly mispriced this company, as though it were some debt-ridden fly-by-night exploration company with no oil to speak of. Bottom line, when investors realize what this company is really worth, the share price could double in just 12 short months, even in the midst of a volatile market. However, if oil prices soar thanks to war or oil blockades in the Middle East, the stock could quintuple and turn every $5,000 you invest into $25,000. And that seems more likely every day. Right now, the potential for conflict in the Middle East has never been greater, with tensions rising in Israel, Iran, Syria, and Egypt. This increased tension means that the potential exists for a spike in oil prices of $30 or more per barrel at any time, something that could send New Western stocks soaring. You see, if oil spikes higher, say $125 a barrel, as I expect, that adds another $413 million to the value of New Western Energy's reserves for a total of $1.7 billion. I don't know any other way to put it except to say, at 58 cents a share and sitting on this much oil, New Western Energy, NWTR, is an absolute steal right now. In fact, I'd consider it a bargain at $1 a share. Clearly, New Western is perfectly positioned to help you turn bad news in the Middle East into great news for your portfolio, potentially making 5 times your money if oil prices soar. But, as I mentioned, even if, miraculously, oil prices don't spike higher, this company's share price could still double. And remember, this isn't a company that's just searching for oil. As I mentioned, New Western is already producing in Oklahoma and Texas. In Oklahoma, the company is sitting on recoverable reserves of 944,915 barrels of oil. The two properties are located in the Bartlesville Sand Formation, the Phillips lease and the Glass lease. And the Glass lease has been producing oil since 2009. At $95 per barrel, the oil on these two properties is worth more than $89.7 million. And that's just for starters. In Texas, the company is sitting on another 723,841 barrels of oil worth $68.7 million. It holds 4 promising leases, including Swenson, McClellan and Reeves, Moran, and Trice. And Trice, too, is already producing oil. And in Kansas, where a new oil boom is getting underway, New Western Energy, NWTR, is there. NWTR has acquired a 90% working interest in the B&W Ranch oil and gas lease. It's the company's largest leasehold to date. This lease in Kansas holds estimated recoverable reserves of 9.1 million barrels of oil worth $868.4 million. All in all, New Western Energy could be sitting on more than 13.7 million barrels of oil worth $1.3 billion. And if oil prices spike from $95 a barrel to $125, thanks to Middle East tension or outright war, the value of all that oil could soar to $1.7 billion. Not bad for a small, unheard-of junior exploration and production company. Better yet, the company is regularly acquiring great properties. They're getting in at low entry costs and then exploiting the upside potential. Couple all that with the company's superior experienced management and a strong balance sheet, and you can see why I'm issuing a strong buy recommendation for shares of New Western Energy Corp. NWTR. I'm convinced that New Western Energy could help you rake in triple-digit profits over the next 12 months, even without a spike in oil prices. I've spelled out all the details in my online report just below this video. I urge you to take a moment to read it right now. And I also urge you to claim your free copy of my new special report, Make 5 Times Your Money with This Oil and Gas Superstar. It's a $20 value, yours free when you subscribe to my newsletter, Cotton's Technically Speaking, within the next 10 days. Plus, when you subscribe, I'll send you up to 2 additional special reports valued at $78. Learn how to claim your free reports by reading my online report just below this video. I hope you'll join me, Joe Cotton, in profiting from this undervalued oil and gas superstar in the months ahead. Here are the details on how to subscribe to my newsletter and to claim your free special reports. Call today, 1-727-343-3439, Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern, or visit www.energyprofitstoday.com. Thank you for watching.